It is currently a Friday afternoon, and I just changed the power steering pump in this. There's a little bastard right there. Anybody who actually knows what they're doing, who's been watching any of my old videos, might already be aware that I'm kind of terrible at working on cars. So I managed to make that, a really simple job, last basically all day, but it is done. Power steering is now working. Fried itself the other day at the skid pad. So who knows, maybe that will be a common issue with this car. I'm not sure. But the new one's got a lifetime warranty. So if I keep popping them, I'll just keep getting new ones. And brake pads.
It's a 158.1. You're still slow.